I am back in the kitchen today and I have got another slow cooker recipe for you. The response from last week's turmeric and coconut dal was awesome. So much interest and people were so keen to make it. So I thought I would do another slow cooker recipe. I am making a chicken slow cooker satay, which is just beautiful and very, very easy. My name is Nixon from Wick, Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. I'm feeling a little bit heady. I have had COVID. Very, very surprising that I tested positive. I didn't have a huge amount of symptoms, and so lucky that I have got away with it, you know, with having very mild symptoms. My only thing that I would say ongoing is headaches. I would love to know, has anyone else experienced ongoing headaches? Because I know that the symptoms are so different for everyone. It just blows my mind how this virus affects you at such different levels. So, as I said, if you are just joining us, I am making a slow cooker chicken satay, and I will tell you how you can get your hands on the recipe. It's very, very simple, as you know, with all my recipes. In my slow cooker, I have got some coconut milk. It's actually coconut cream that was very, very thick. When it goes in the fridge, it was very thick. So I've just thinned it down with some water, which is very easy to do. I've got some peanut butter. Now, it doesn't matter that that is thick and, you know, going into the bowl, because as it warms up and cooks, it thins out and just spreads out into an amazing flavour. I've got some chicken stock and honey in here. I have got honey, rice wine vinegar and soy sauce. So I've used tamari because that is a gluten-free soy sauce. The great thing about this recipe is that it's all gluten-free. You can throw it on in the morning and come back, walk in at the end of the day from work or whatever you've had going on, and it is all made for you. Some red pepper. Some ginger and some garlic. As I mentioned last week, because garlic is so expensive at $45 a kg, because I like to use the New Zealand garlic, I'm using garlic powder. And then I have got some chicken breasts. My preference is definitely chicken thighs, because they really hold their moisture. However, if you are cooking it in a slow cooker, that, you know, slow cookers are known for holding in that moisture and that texture, and they don't dry out. And a good grinding of salt and pepper. Now, if you're wanting to get your hands on this recipe, I have put together, because I know that winter meals, slow cooker meals are something that you are always looking for more of. So I've put together an ebook. It's not new this year, so you may have it from last year, called Warming Weekday Dinners. So if you want to get that, just head to wickedwellbeing.com/dinners. I've posted the link above, and it'll have this recipe in it and 3 other divine, a couple of vegetarian, there's a beef one, chicken, and just to keep that inspiration going in the kitchen. So that's all that I'm going to do. I'm going to put that in the slow cooker. I'm going to put it on high because I want it for tonight, but otherwise if I've done it in the morning, 6 to 8 hours on low. Now 20 minutes before it is ready, you add some water, flour and lime juice, and just mix that into a paste to thicken it, and then you know, when it's ready, it'll be lovely and thick. I'll serve it on rice for my family, cauliflower rice for me, because I love to get as many veggies in as possible, and I might even put some steamed broccoli on the side. So remember, if you want to grab this recipe, head to wickedwellbeing.com/dinners, and you can grab that ebook, and it's got 4 beautiful family-friendly weeknight dinners, 2 of them in the slow cooker, and then 2 others that are, you know, just normal meals. I would love to know, has your slow cooker come out yet? Are you a slow cooker fan, or are you just trying to get used to one? Okay, thanks so much for joining me, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.